Today's video explains how to install the water heater. The first step is to stick butyl tape around the edge to achieve waterproof effect. Then open the cap of the hot and cold water pipe. Connect the connector. Load in the specified location. Open the protective lid. Temporarily remove the sealing strip for subsequent steps. Fasten with screws. Clear excess butyl tape. The second step is to connect the gas pipe and tighten it with a number 19 wrench. Install the pipe fittings. Install connectors and red accessories. The third step is to connect the cold water pipe. The length of the tube needs to be reserved according to the length. Then install the connector and the red accessories. Gray fittings that go into the fittings. When connecting, the pipe fittings must be inserted tightly. The fourth step, connect the hot water valve and red accessories. The fifth step, connect the hot water pipe. The steps are the same as the third step. Connection head and red fittings on the valve side. At this point, the installation and connection of all water pipes have been completed. Now make the circuit connections. There are two lines. Orange is firewire. The white one is the zero line. The first step is to connect the live wire to the red wire of the water heater. After connecting, use special pliers to press the insulating parts. Connect the white wire to the black wire of the water heater. After connecting, use special pliers to press the insulating parts. The two blue lines are the control panel lines on the left side of the water heater. The second step is to connect the controller with the extension cable. These two lines can be connected arbitrarily. After connecting, use special pliers to press the insulating parts. In order to prevent it from leaking electricity, wrap it with insulating tape. third step is to fix the control panel. After fixing with screws, close the protective cover. The fourth step is to connect the water heater with the controller. These two blue lines can be connected arbitrarily. After connecting, use special pliers to press the insulating parts. In order to prevent it from leaking electricity, wrap it with insulating tape. Install corrugated protective tubes on the remaining exposed lines. The fifth step is to fix the lines and pipelines. Can be integrated and fixed according to your liking. The specification of the pipe fixing piece is 0.7 inch. After the wires are fixed, use black neutral adhesive silicone glue to seal and fix the edges around the water heater and reinstall the sealing strip. After the black neutral adhesive silicone glue is solidified, the installation of the water heater is completed.